Good evening, everyone. I am Shana Vernice Tamayo. Ako po yung favorite hindi pala. Stala pala yung favorite granddaughter. Ano na lang, ako yung favorite granddaughter na nagmamotor. And as many of you know, ang aking lola she is a very strong and loving woman. And above everything else, she lived her days rooted in Christ. She taught us that whatever comes, God is faithful. As many of you know, I race motocross, and before every race, she would remind me of Psalms 1:1. It says here, I lift up my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Those words shaped me. She reminded me na lahat ng mga panalo ko, lahat ng strengths and talents does not come from me alone, but from God. There has never been a finish line I've crossed or a trophy I've ever received without God's help and my grandma's prayers. One of my favorite memories was when me and Baba, my lola, we went to America, just the two of us. Actually, napaka-impulsive ng trip na to eh. She was supposed to go to Cambodia, I think that time, and na-cancel yung flight niya. And sabi niya sa akin na, tara, let's go to America for your birthday. And I thought she was joking kasi my grandma sa prankster eh. Mahilig siya mang-joke eh. And then, we actually went. And that time together is a gift I will carry forever. And I will also speak on my mom's behalf kasi alam ko hindi niya matatapos tong eulogy na to nang hindi umiiyak eh. This was 2022, 4 years ago. This is the first family trip na magkasama kaming lahat sa Lake Elsinore. And ang aking lola she's a shopaholic. Mahilig sila maghanap ng mga garage sales, mga murang items sa mga thrift shops tulad ng Ross, TJ Maxx. And yung shopping partner ni Baba ay walang iba kundi yung aking nanay. And then, suki sila kasi naalala ko nun, pag may biniling bag si Baba sa mga thrift shops, tapos may mas nakitang mas magandang bag sa ibang shop, ire-return niya yung bag na yan. And then, eto naman yung aking nanay, para siya yung test dummy ni Baba. Kunwari, may nakitang magandang scarf si Baba. Tapos sasabihin niya, Shali, suotin mo to, bagay sa'yo to. Tapos yung nanay ko naman, uto-uto. Lahat ng trips ng aking lola, sinasamahan niya. And then, we would spend like a minimum 1 hour sa mga shops na yun. And syempre, walang ibang driver. Yung aking daddy, lagi nilang kasama. Bored na kami sa car. And fast forward to this year, when she was in the hospital, my Baba, she was a very positive woman. Every time we would visit, lagi niyang sinasabi sa amin, Jehovah Rapha, the Lord who heals. She said these words repeatedly, I am healed. Miracle is coming. Have faith over fear. Lagi niyang sinasabi yun sa amin, even when her eyes closed. She was very strong. She was very strong and was fighting until her very last few moments. Hirap na siya huminga nun. And it was a privilege na my mom, dad, my kuya, and I was there to witness her final breath. And just few minutes before her passing, I held her hand and talked to her. Even though her eyes were closed, I said, Hi, Baba. It's my birthday in 6 days. Let's go to America again. And I promised her I'd become a doctor one day and heal cancer patients like her. And I told her not to worry about her grandchildren. We will all stay strong together. I wanted her to know her family will keep growing, keep walking in faith together. And in those final moments, even though she couldn't speak, I felt that she squeezed my hand tighter, and tears were falling from her eyes. No words was said, but her heart was speaking. And a short time later, she went home to be with the Lord. And she finally met her husband, Lolo Vern, who we all have never met before. And before I close, I also want to speak on behalf of my dad. As Mama loses eldest son, his heart is incredibly heavy today. And I know he cannot hold back his tears to stand up here himself. But he asked me to make sure I express his deepest gratitude to every single one of you here today. Thank you to our relatives, friends, and everyone who have traveled, sent messages, and took the time to be here to celebrate her beautiful life. And even those who are watching online right now, your presence, love, and support during this difficult time would mean the world. We grieve, but we do not grieve without hope. Her faith assures us that this goodbye is not forever. Thank you, Baba, for your faith, your prayers, and your love. I will keep the promise I made. I'll chase my dreams, serve others, and live a life that honors God. Until we meet again. See you tomorrow, Baba.
Everyone, go. Hold on.
Present.
Hug Baba.
Ano yung mahulog ako?
Patong mo na lang yung ulo. Yan.
Ay, gawin natin yung star.
He's blessing me!
Yung ginawa ni Ike Speed.
Patong mo na lang ulo niyo lahat.
Hurry up! One more time! Love you guys.
Aba, yun naman.
Go on to bless your...
Ano tayo? Human Tower. Alam mo yun, yung isa stock mo yung ano.